Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins. I've been on YouTube since August 2018. I have not done a face reveal since then. I was hoping to gain enough subscribers for them to be asking for it, but you wanna know what? I decided today I'm going to make my face reveal. Well, hi, I'm Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins. And today, I'm hunting these pennies. I got these pennies from a relative, and this jar was originally full of all types of coins: pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. He separated them out. I got the pennies, and I'm gonna go through them. Let's dump them out, and I'll let you know if I find something. Alright, first on the list is a wheat penny. You can tell because of the wheat back. This wheat penny is from the years. I must have hit a great part of the pile here. I found these three coins in a matter of, I don't know, like 2 coins of each other. I found one and one just fell into its place. This first one is a Canadian, my first foreign. This Canadian is from 1991. This is a dime. It's not silver because it's from, oh, this is a very 2015, a really recent dime. And this Canadian is from 1978, so the oldest Canadian that I found. It would be cool if I could find a young head, or better yet, King George VI. Come on, penny pile. I still got quite a few to go. So again, I'll let you know if I find anything else. I found another foreign. Another Canadian. This penny from our neighbors to the north, if I can not drop them anymore, is 1987. This is my third foreign. Here we go. I'm getting excited. Will there be an Indian head? Probably not, but that's to be determined. I found another wheat cent. This wheat cent is the oldest one that I have so far. It is from 1941. I found 2 finds this time. The first find is another dime that was missed. This is a brand new 2020 Philadelphia dime. And another Canadian. Got the leaves, so you know it's Canadian. It is a 1976 1-cent piece from our neighbors to the north. I have another Canadian. Now, you may be saying to yourself, Just a Fun Guy, you've been getting a lot of Canadians. Yeah, I have. Where I and a lot of my family lives, we live only about an hour from the Canadian border, so Canadian pennies are very common. This penny, don't think the leaves are going to focus this time, but it wasn't on the leaf side, it was on the queen side. You can see the leaves. This penny is from the year 2000. I have a feeling I am going to get way more Canadians. I found another wheat cent. And I am going to do, I did not see the face of it, so I am going to do a wheat cent face reveal. Let's see. 1950. 1950. Is that an estimate? 1950 D wheat cent. In fact, I got my book right here. Let's see if I need a 50. I got 1950, 50D, and 50S. so I don't need it, but it's going in the collection anyway. Alright, everything's been hunted. And from what I got, which looks like there's less than $5 in pennies here. And from what I've got, I scored big. First off, the non-penny finds, the dimes. I found 3 dimes that are all less than 5 years old. Brand spanking new, spendable, which is what I'm going to do, of course. 3 non-spendable wheat pennies that I am pulling out of circulation. A 1950D, a 1941, and a 1951 plain. And 6 Canadians from 1970 to 2000. Pretty epic hunt, I would say, for the amount of pennies that I got. So, with that being said, my name is Just a Fun Guy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon, do all that good stuff. Until next time, I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.